In the past, I had been to the city of Songkhla, capital of Songkhla province in southern Thailand, on a few separate occasions for short work trips. Each visit left me wanting to return to this charming municipality where gentle hills meet the Gulf of Thailand, the beach stretches on, and friendly faces are everywhere. So with the holidays fast approaching for the Thai New Year, known as Songkhla, I decided it was time to finally return to Songkhla. I flew from Bangkok to Hat Yai and took a song towel from there to Songkhla. I was already wet from getting splashed by roadside revelers along the way, but when I reached the city, I found myself immersed in boisterous Songkran activities. Songkhla had erupted in a massive water fight, and the joy everywhere was infectious. I made a long journey down to Chalatat beach on foot, completely soaked by the time I arrived. Chalatat Road, running alongside the beach, was pure mayhem of the very best kind. The next day, I headed back to the beach to enjoy it in daylight. There are kilometers of soft sand and warm waters hugging the city, and it felt like half the town was out picnicking, strolling, swimming, flying kites, and just generally enjoying life. I made sure to visit Songkhla Old Town, which sits near the mouth of Songkhla Lake. In this historic area of the city, old buildings constructed in the Sino-European style still stand, nestled alongside traditional Chinese shophouses. I came across cozy street art everywhere, much of it sharing the history of past generations in its own quiet way. I went by motorbike to Ba Yit Beach, where you can clamber onto a breakwater that stretches out into the blue water. It was a stunning place to relax and enjoy the breeze off the sea. Finally, as the evening came on, I arrived alongside Songkhla Lake to witness a sunset that only the south of Thailand can deliver. No visit to Songkhla is complete without visiting the Phaya Nak, the great and sacred serpent believed to be the protector of the city. To represent its presence as Songkhla's guardian, statues of its head, body, and tail are located in different parts of the city, as though the Phaya Nak always resides just beneath its surface. That night, as I gazed up at the ornate tail under a bright moon, I realized that, for me, there's nowhere else quite like Songkhla.